Good morning class. Class 8, Subject GK, Lesson 12, page number 23. Chapter name is Polluted Oceans, the Causes. Before starting the chapter, here we are going to teach you about few hard words. First word is pollute. Pollute means to make air, rivers, etc. dirty and dangerous. Next word extensive means covering a large area. Next word alarming means that makes you frightened or worried. Next word increasingly. Increasingly means more and more. Now this is our chapter. Chapter name is Polluted Oceans, the Causes. In this chapter, we are going to learn what is a cause to pollute the ocean. Ocean pollution has increasingly become an important matter due to the heightened human activity that have extensively affected the cleanliness of the ocean. As you know that nowadays our ocean pollution has increasingly means more and more day by day it is increasingly. An important matter what is the reason of behind that. For ocean pollution most heightened human activities are there. Due to heightened human activities ocean is going to polluted. Next thing is fishing practice and marine life have been adversely affected. Adversely affected while the coastal habitat are increasingly destroyed at an alarming rate. Alarming rate means that makes you frightened or worried. You have to take care for that. This is a alarming stage. Fishing practice, actually few rules are decided for fishing practice, but people are not going to follow that. That is why it is increasing. And whatever habitat, because of a polluted ocean, whatever ocean habitat or coastal habitat, that is increasingly destroyed. Slowly it is going to destroyed. As you know that habitat is a natural living area of animals or creatures. So when we are talking about fish, so where fish is living? Fish is living in ocean. Fish is living in coastal area. So when it is affected, then ocean creature also will be affected. It is thus an important call to manage and protect our ocean so as to maintain the ocean health index and to ensure continuity. Continuity means the fact of continuing without stopping of the life on earth. So this is important call. What is important call? Because ocean is going nature is going to alarming you this is too much. Now you are going to stop your this type of activity and protect our ocean. Then we can maintain the ocean health index, and when ocean health index will be increased or maintained, then marine creature life will be good, and we are also indirectly attached with them, because from ocean we are taking so many things that already I had discussed in previous chapters how we are affected, and that also we are going to learn in next chapter. But here you have to see human also attached with the ocean, because we are also depend for few medicine, coral whatever stones, coral and many things we are getting from oil, we are getting from the ocean. So if it is going to affect it, so our life is human life also will be affected. So ocean health should be good. What is the oil industry and oil spills? This type of incident mostly we can see due to this ocean is affected. Next one, sewage flowing into ocean, that should not be. Next, littering is causing marine pollution, that is there. Next reason, industrial manufacturing activity, because whatever wastage of there, that industries are uh, throwing in the ocean, so that is why many chemicals and waste materials are going into ocean. That is why ocean is polluted, so that should be stopped. Next one, mining activity in the ocean. Many companies and many organizations are doing mining activity, and lots of garbage are collected in ocean, and that cleaning process is not going to proper, so that is why this is a reason. Next thing, agriculture and farming practice is also nearby the ocean or river, so that is also affected. Next thing, land surface runoff cause marine pollution, so this much are caused due to polluted ocean, that should be take care, because if it will be continue, then our future means ocean future is not good, ocean health is not good. And if ocean uh, will be going to polluted day by day, then our life is also will be affected. So this is a chapter. Now this chapter is over. In next video I will explain about chapter 13. Thank you.